At the maximum feed rate, we can remove about 3 cubic inches of material per minute. Getting the most out of your model BB1149 is a matter of common sense and good general machining practices, such as always using a sharp tool bit, adjusting the RPM to match the diameter you are cutting, and the type of cutter you are using. The BB1149 will deliver over 400 foot-pounds of intermittent torque during bore model are available. Mounting is just as easy as the other motors. The muffler system keeps the noise level inherent to any large pneumatic motors in an acceptable range. Earplugs, of course, are still necessary to protect it. The boring process is the same as with smaller diameters, except the rotational speed should be slowed to prevent the cutter from rotating too fast. We are boring a 19-inch diameter hole with the largest tool arms.
Try it again, take it out.
Use a dial indicator if you need a precise depth. Now the airline can be attached to the machine and the lockout removed. After checking to make sure the area is clear and the feed selector is in neutral, the safety cutoff valve is opened and the machine is turned on. The feed is engaged by moving the feed selector lever counterclockwise as far as it will go and then back to the desired feed rate. If the feed rate is too fast or slow, it can be adjusted to get the finish desired. If there is a lot of material to be removed, a higher feed rate can be used for the first few passes, and then a slower feed rate for a final finish in the last pass, if so desired. Radial feed rates vary from 0 to 30 thousandths inch per revolution. Multiple flanges.
Теперь происходит внутренняя расточка. Первый проход.
New mill, plus some extra things that we didn't expect, speed and power, so it's a more powerful machine. The actual cutting time is reduced because the spindle speed is higher and more horsepower is transferred into the flange.
My customers tell me they can rework between 3 and 4 flanges in an 8-hour shift, especially if they're all the same diameter.
It cuts very fast, feed rate's very fast. We're going through a lot more flanges than we thought we would.
Now that we have the CM6000, if there's a welding error or some sort of damage to the flange, we can repair that flange. Instead of scrapping it and cutting off the whole flange, we can machine the flange back to within tolerance, saving the whole tower. Working with climate